quick, easy, simple recipe for weight loss which is made from oats, vegetable and spices. It is very easy to cook and the ingredients are easily available in Indian kitchen. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sugata. Today I am sharing with you oats upma recipe for weight loss. If you are new in here, please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon for new updates. Love yourself and let me start. Here I am using rolled oats. Oats upma with vegetable is far healthier than the traditional upma. Oats are a great source of protein for vegetarian. It is rich in soluble fiber which helps lower blood LDL cholesterol, the so-called bad cholesterol. For one bowl serving, I am using 1/4 cup of rolled oats. I am using 1 medium-sized onion, some coriander leaves for garnishing, 1 teaspoon chopped ginger, 1 green chili chopped. Onions are good source of vitamin C which increase immunity. It also helps to build white blood cells. Here fiber-rich oats is cooked along with a traditional flavorful and colorful veggies like carrot and beans. Instead of carrot, you can use any type of seasonal vegetable like green peas, broccoli, etc. Carrot have the nutrient beta carotene which is a form of vitamin A. Carrot is good for the eyes. Oats upma is rich in magnesium, phosphorus, vitamin B1. First, I am roast the oats. It is highly recommended that either roast or soak the oats before cooking. Roasting or soaking the oats helps to reduce the phytic acid content. So if you don't roast or soak the oats, it may lead to some digestive issues like bloating. So it is highly recommended you either roast or soak the oats. Always roast the oat on a medium heat. Roasting on high flame can burn it very quickly. This recipe is super filling, tasty, very easy to make, especially on those busy mornings. I shared many oats recipe for weight loss. All the links will be updated below in the description box. So please do check it out. Once the oats are roasted lightly and has started to turn light brown, turn off the flame and keep it aside. Now heat the pan and I am adding 1 teaspoon of mustard oil. Instead of mustard oil, you can use olive oil, desi ghee or coconut oil. Generally, I prefer to use olive oil for this recipe as it will add some omega-3 fatty acids which reduce the inflammation in the body. But here I am using 1 tablespoon mustard oil. Once the oil is heated, add half teaspoon of cumin seeds. When the seeds crackle, add 1 teaspoon of urad dal which is called Bengali biuli dal, or you can use chana dal and saute on medium flame for 1 minute. Nutrient value of this recipe per serving: energy 207 calorie, protein 7.4 gram, carbohydrate 30.6 gram, fiber 5.4 gram, fat 6.4 gram, cholesterol 0, sodium 5.2 milligram. Oats are a good source of carbs and fibers, including the powerful fiber beta-glucan. They also contain more protein and fat than most grain. Oats are loaded with important vitamins, minerals, and antioxidant plant components. Oats may help lower blood sugar levels, especially in people who are overweight or have type 2 diabetes. Now I am adding 2 broken cashew nut. It is totally optional. You can skip it also. Now I am adding chopped onion. Onions are good source of sulfur which act as a blood thinner and prevent blood clotting too. In this stage I am also adding ginger and green chilies. Mix it well. Saute for 1 minute or onion turns translucent. In this stage I am adding carrot and beans. Saute on a medium flame to 2 minutes. Now I am adding salt. Mix it well and cover the lid. Now I am adding half teaspoon of turmeric powder and 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper powder. Black pepper powder helps the turmeric absorb faster into your body, so don't omit it. Now stir it well and cover it. In this stage I am adding 1.5 cup of water. Put the flame on high and allow this to boil. Once the water starts to boil, add roasted oats. Mix it, cover it about 1 minute and mix it well. Reduce the flame and cook it another 2 to 3 minutes. Oats is now nicely cooked. I am just going to lightly saute this another 1 minute without lid, so its remaining moisture is also evaporate. And now I am adding coriander leaves for garnishing. I like to share some important tips here, that is, take care to roast the oats well to remove the raw aroma and ensure that the final texture is nice and inviting. Prefer to use olive oil for this recipe as it will add some omega-3 fatty acids. Quick, easy, simple and tasty oats upma is quite filling and ideal for breakfast as well as lunch and dinner. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please thumbs up if you did. Please subscribe if you new in here. I love you guys so much. I will see you soon with brand new video. Love yourself and take care. Thank you for watching.